How to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete all reposts at once on TikTok, simply launch the TikTok application on your device. As you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. As you do that, tap on Settings and Privacy. And when you land on Settings and Privacy, just scroll down, and as you scroll down you can see the option of Report a Problem, so tap on it. And after tapping on Report a Problem, you'll be able to see there are different options. Now here you can select whichever option that you want, because it doesn't really make that much of a difference. So as you select on one of the reasons, tap on any of the reasons over here as well. So just scroll down to the very end and tap on the option of is your problem resolved, so just tap on no, and then it asks need more help, just tap on the arrow mark and it will take us to the TikTok help desk. So here what you simply have to do is mention the message over here saying hi, please can you help me delete all my repost. So it will give you these options over here. So if you want to remove one reposted video or remove your repost one by one, you can go to original video you reposted, select the share button and then select the remove post icon. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.